pace of change in today's organizations is faster than ever before, and Office 365 is constantly evolving to meet the needs of a workforce that demands the best tools to improve both their efficiency and their effectiveness. I'm Jim Narosky from Microsoft. In this update, I'll give you an overview of the latest changes to Office 365 and tell you where you can learn more. I've received a few emails from users saying they were totally up to date on their Office 365 client, but we're still not seeing some of the new client features I covered in prior videos, like the Morph and Designer functionality in PowerPoint. Please keep in mind, Office 365 client features might roll out at different times based on the Office 365 plan you are on. Office 365 Business, Office 365 Education, and Office 365 Enterprise E5 are some of the different plans available. Also keep in mind that we rolled out an Office 365 client update policy in September of 2015 that is now defined using the terms current channel, deferred channel, and first release. Why am I telling you this? I'm pleased to announce that the June Office 365 client update is now available for those that are on the deferred channel update cadence. Many new features will now be available to those users, including the PowerPoint features I mentioned earlier. Read the June 15th blog post where you'll find a link to an article listing all of the feature updates, bug fixes, and security updates available in the deferred channel June update. Last August, we released Outlook for Apple Watch, and frequent viewers know I use my Microsoft Band to stay up to date. Now, Android users can join the fun too with the June 3rd announcement of an Outlook watch face for Android Wear. Here are the updates. Now, with a glance at your Android Wear device, you can quickly see an overview of your day's schedule along with key details on where you need to be next. Details of your next event are front and center, showing you how much time is left until your next meeting and where you have to be. You can also see information on how many new emails you have received since you last looked at your phone. Colors on the outer part of the dial match those you've added to the Outlook calendar on your Android phone. To see details on your upcoming meetings, simply tap and swipe. In those rare instances when you don't have any events on your calendar in the next 12 hours, Outlook will show you who has recently sent you mail. And for the more fashion conscious among us, you can personalize your watch face background and accent color to fit your style. In addition to keeping you up to speed on what's next, Outlook lets you interact with notifications and take action right from your wrist. You can take these same actions on email that are available in Outlook for Android, including archive, schedule, flag, and delete. If the email includes an event invitation, you'll also have the ability to RSVP in a snap. If you need to reply, Outlook provides a preset list of responses and supports voice dictation. No need to even take your phone out of your pocket. I'll confess that I only became convinced of the value of having email and calendar info available on my wrist when I experienced it for myself using the Microsoft Band. Now it's become an indispensable productivity tool. Try it for yourself and you'll see what I mean. This video is brought to you through the efforts of a small, dedicated group of people. Sure, the work of the team must be coordinated, but using Microsoft's traditional project and portfolio management solutions to manage the team's activities would probably be overkill. That's where Microsoft Planner comes in. The addition of Planner to the Office 365 lineup introduces a new and improved way for businesses, schools, and organizations to structure teamwork easily and get more done. On June 6th, Microsoft announced that Planner would begin rolling out to all eligible Office 365 customers worldwide. All users with eligible subscription plans will automatically see the Planner tile in the Office 365 app launcher when it is available to them. No specific action by Office 365 admins is needed. The heart of Planner is the hub, a color-coded representation for all your favorite plans. Yellow for tasks not yet started, red for late tasks, blue for in progress, and green for completed. With a single click, you can launch the board view for any of the plans, which displays all of the team's work organized by buckets of tasks. You can think of the buckets as an aggregation of related tasks. Assigning people to tasks is as simple as dragging and dropping. Planner also lets you store task-related documents and have conversations with team members right from within the Planner interface. And the charts view in Planner gives you an immediate, up-to-date view on everyone's progress. If you notice that someone is falling behind on key tasks, they can be quickly and easily reassigned to balance the load and keep the team on track. Planner sends email notifications when new tasks are assigned and works across devices and platforms so collaboration can happen when the team is on the go. Read the June 6th blog post and watch the video you find there to learn more. Or better yet, start using Planner to better organize your team's work. Microsoft recently announced the ability for co-editors to chat with one another directly within a OneDrive document when working in Office Online. A May 25th blog post announced this capability was being extended to our Office 365 business and education customers for documents stored in OneDrive for Business and SharePoint Online. Built on the same technology as Skype for Business, the new chat feature is available in all Office Online applications, Word, PowerPoint, Excel, and OneNote. When you share a document from OneDrive for Business or SharePoint Online with your coworkers, they can view, make edits, and even co-author with you in real time. When multiple people are in a document at the same time, their names appear in the list of co-editors at the top right of the browser window. Next to the list of co-editors, you'll see a blue chat button. Some of you out there may be asking, why would I chat instead of adding a document comment? Great question. Use the new chat feature when you want to communicate with others immediately. For example, to ask a quick question. Chat history is not saved when you close the document. In contrast, use document comments when you want to attach a comment to a specific selection within the document, such as when you need to ask if a word or phrase should be changed. Comments are saved with the document and can be replied to, marked as done, or deleted. The new chat feature lets you collaborate with your coworkers in a new, more immediate way. You can read all the details in the May 25th blog post. I'm pleased to announce that some of the advanced security management capabilities I discussed in the April update are now available as part of the Office 365 Enterprise E5 plan. Two components of advanced security management are now available. They are anomaly detection and activity detection. Anomaly detection policies alert admins to potential breaches of the network by scanning user activities and evaluating the risk against over 70 different indicators, including sign-in failures, administrator activity, and inactive accounts. A simple example of an anomaly might be if a user logs into Office 365 from New York City and then 5 minutes later connects from somewhere else they couldn't possibly be, like Sao Paulo, Brazil. Activity policies, the second component of advanced security management, available now lets admins track specific activities. You can start with Microsoft's out-of-the-box templates and customize them or create them from scratch. An example of an activity policy would be one that detects a user downloading a large amount of data. In both cases, once the conditions of the policy are triggered, a wide array of actions can be taken, including notifying an admin or suspending a user's account. This is just the start of what advanced security management for Office 365 will offer. Astrid McLean delivers a great demo in the Microsoft Mechanics video embedded in the June 1st blog post and talks more about what's planned for the future. Good news for Office 365 admins. On June 14th, Microsoft announced a design update for the Office 365 admin app that makes it easier and more efficient for you to manage the service on mobile devices. Over the last 12 months, we've added almost 40 feature updates to the app, including push notifications, mobile device management, and partner integration. With this latest release, we are introducing feature grouping to enable admins to find what they need faster. Similar features, such as quick actions on the user card, are now categorized and displayed together. In addition, new quick links on the dashboard give you direct access to the settings that you use on a regular basis, such as users, groups, and billing. The update also makes it easier for you to identify areas that need your attention. Information that is important to you and that you might want to take action on, such as blocked users, is now highlighted in the app. The new version of the Office 365 admin app should be available on Android, iOS, and Windows phones by the time you watch this video. Read all the details and download the app by clicking on the link in the June 14th blog post. That's it for now. I love reading your feedback, so please keep it coming. Feel free to contact me directly via the email listed on the screen. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again next month.